Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies. For your relationship, we will be picking one card from another deck. So this will be the card. And for your career situation, this is the card. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aries, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. If you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. Aries. So we have Four of Wands, Page of Pentacles in reverse and Queen of Wands in reverse. So in your circumstances today, Aries, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone really good, someone devoted, a good-hearted person, friendly natured. But in your work or in your relationship, you see a lot of difficulty. Maybe you need to handle a lot of competition, opposition in your work, or jealousy in your relationship, and lack of honesty. Maybe this person is not telling you the truth, their true intentions or their true feelings. And you may feel that you cannot trust this person because of the way they are. Maybe the words they speak or their actions may give you some doubts, may give you some kind of a negative impression about this person. And this person may try to make use of you financially also. So you may feel a little awkward to be with them. Maybe you feel that they are here just to make use of you in some ways, not for true love. But Aries, there is also this card for celebration. So I feel that maybe for some of you, you may feel this way about this person, but they are good. Maybe it may be a new relationship. That may be the reason you feel this way. You don't have a deep understanding about their intentions or about their true feelings. But you are celebrating something. You are going to celebrate something in this relationship. There may be some changes you can expect. There may be, though we have a negative energy, there is also a positive energy. It may be a celebration in this love, or it may be a celebration in your work, something good, something happening. It may be a beginning of something big. So there are good positive changes happening in your life, so you need not worry. Let's see what is the oracle guidance for you all. We picked one card. We will see what it is. It's chaos and conflict. So our stubbornness is the reason for all troubles in this relationship, guys. Stubbornness is keeping us in the state of opposition. So deep down you want your circumstances to be resolved. So this may be the time for you to learn about your values, learn about your sense of self, what is most important to you. And some things are not negotiable. If that is true, there is no need to fight. But very soon, these conflicts or troubles will soon clear and you will be in a much better place and you will have a better understanding. If you use this time constructively for that understanding what is in your heart, understanding what this person is thinking. So this is the time for understanding. You need not be worried about the negative situation you are seeing. Everything is changing, Aries. Everything will change. That is what I see. So for your career situation, we will see what is the card. It's Two of Moons in reverse. So in your work circumstances, there may be a breakdown in your communication or understanding. So you must be really careful. This miscommunication may lead you into some difficulties. So there are a lot of competition in your work. You need to be really focused, concentrated on what you are doing. Otherwise you are seeing some difficulties, Aries, in your career. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, the Goose Girl. I hope you can see the card. Theft. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, your identity is being stolen or you have been wronged in a very bad way. Something of yours has been stolen. But you need to understand that your uniqueness and what is truly yours can never be stolen from you. Though it may look like you have lost something, in truth you have not lost it. It is a part and a parcel of your being. The truth about yourself, your true characters, your true nature. It can never be copied because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. And maybe you are facing some problems because of this, but justice will always happen. Truth will unfold in your life very soon. Truth can never be hidden for a long time and it will be revealed very soon in your situation. And you are being protected and you are being cared for, but you don't know it yet. You may feel lost, a little lonely. You may feel lost away from the people you love, people who have cared for you. But this hardship is coming to an end, and whatever injustice has been done to you is ending very soon. And you need to understand that truth will always prevail. So you need not worry. Truth about you, truth about your circumstance is coming out very soon. And whatever cruelty or jealousy is done to an innocent person will never harm them. It will just go back to the doer. So you need to understand that, and you need to understand that justice can never be thwarted. It will always unfold and truth will always prevail. So that is the energy here. So maybe you have been wronged, or maybe if you have wronged someone, you should make amends. If you have done something wrong to someone, if you have tried to copy them, or if you have tried to take away what is truthfully theirs, you must mend your ways. Or if something bad has happened to you, or someone has done something bad to you, you need not worry. What is rightfully yours will always come to you. So that is the energy here with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have the impossible made possible. So in our hearts, we will be dreaming of big dreams, and we ourselves, we will feel that it is something, it's too big, or it is too much to imagine, or it is too unreal to manifest in our life. But there is nothing wrong to dream, and there is nothing impossible for that divine power to make it happen. So we need to have that belief in that divine power, in that higher power. So all that is holding us back from achieving these dreams are our thoughts of that lack of belief, that lack of belief in the higher power's power to unfold such dreams in our life. So our mind is the reason for us to be like this. So when we are truly passionate, when we yearn for such beautiful dreams to unfold in our life, there is nothing to stop us. And at that right time, what we passionately wish for ourselves and what we truthfully wish for ourselves will definitely unfold in our life. With that divine help, that dream will unfold, and this card means a blessing is coming your way, and this is it will be like the sweetest water quenching the thirst of our soul. So just like that, whatever we are really passionate about and whatever we yearn for, so that dream is waiting to unfold with that divine blessings. But all we need to do is have that belief in our heart. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, so that is the reading for you all today with these cards. Guys, thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.